I'm going to go the same direction. It's probably worth just kicking Daisy.
Look at that one.
It's Mega Mouth buff. Or birds northwest.
Man, that thing is ugly. Give me a sec here.
Dune beetle, stay back.
This buff is reload.
Rare one.
Ooh.
Stim's activated.
Oh, it must be feed speed. He's in that corner in there. Daisy looking at him.
There it is! Goliath!
Uphill. Movement speed's in the dome somewhere, I think. He's chasing Sledge.
Drink gun ready! Healing you up, Trapper!
Good work, Trapper.
Goliath! You and me! Tied you over!
Rock.
You're slacking!
Son of a... Get off of me! Bullseye! Unstoppable!
Love it. But
I'm on the trank gun. It's strong!
Medic!
I'm on
I've
you!
removed my shield now.
Fighting!
I don't know way
Technology
better.
to the rest.
Thank you.
How's everyone feel?
No.
Hang on. Flipping the trank darts.
He's going northeast.
Trapper, you're healed! Hell of a team, huh? Stand still.
Gone quiet. Might be doubling back. Pretty sure he's doubling back. Yep, he is doubling back.
John, far too far out.
Oh, movement speed too. Back still. Yeah, just comes up south.
Some kind of carrion bird circling over something.
Unstoppable!
I got you.
Thank you.
Finish you up, then back to the fight.
He's stomping around up here somewhere. Picked up a rock. He's about to eat something.
Firing on an albino!
He's been
Got it!
try to
Try
pump
this!
the nest.
Med gun ready!
Rock
Got
incoming.
my shield.
Sunny outgoing.
Rock hunter!
Sledge, he's up, Sledge, he's up.
Fire! Let's go!
Join active.
Oh, shit! Oh, bad.
Try and avoid throwing some of these domes, Sledge. We've got lots of up and down every time. It's really hard to fight.
How's everyone feel?
He's on out.
It's got out! Med gun ready!
I needed that.
Move away from this cliff, guys. Move away from this cliff. It's too high. We're just using all of our jetpack.
Bullseye! Unstoppable! On me.
Bounty's up.
Assault, keep firing! You're being healed!
He's running.
Trank dart in! Monster pissed and slow. You're healed up, support! Armor down! We can kill it! Assault! You're not gonna die!
He's down here somewhere.
Good eyes.
Trank gun ready!
Just pushing him off food like that. He's going northwest.
I got this.
Tracks here. I assume he's gone back up. Yes. Right.
Found it. Goliath, one of us died.
Out of the way.
It's throwing debris.
Throwing rock at me. We've got 3 in rock.
Train gun ready.
Just killing the nomad before we fight.
Get
Oh,
on
he
the
missed
range.
him. Alright, let's go back. Let's go back to the arena.
Fire on the weak point.
I'll keep poking him, but let's go together. He's behind us.
I read it. Bam.
Keep going, keep going, keep going. Save your jetpack.
Birds. Drawn out.
If he engages on us, we can fight down here quite nicely, because that tree is very strong.
Rock up.
He's coming.
Carnivorous plant here!
Throwing rocks. It's coming from that top side, I believe.
Beetle! Monster! 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 Goliath! You and me! He's got
So I got him, I got him, I got him. Don't use the jetpack. He's just there. He's come out the other side.
Watch out. Trevor, you're juiced up.
Right here. Full sledge.
Master Piston slow!
Now he's on
Filling you
support.
up, Trevor! Okay, on the train gun!
Get ready with this time. Still on support.
Trained it! Super invisible!
Running.
One sedated monster coming up!
Still there.
Yeah, you got it.
Ooh, I think that was a miss. Yep. That's okay, at least this time we get set up. So we're fighting here, is that right? Let's make sure we know where we actually are.
Birds in the air!
There's a Gene Beetle over there.
Beetle!
Give me a sec here.
He's hit.
Rock.
Ooh, what's that?
Summer on regenerate raid fully charged.
Okay.
Wow.
Assault! I've got you back!
Stick it below.
This thing's big!
Circus suit.
He's trying to push us away from shield drone.
Fuck me.
Okay.
Okay, on the train
I need
gun.
some heals, please.
Yeah, no bird.
Use the drone.
Time for me.
Line of sight.
It's off.
Sorry, dude. We'll come around, we'll come around, we'll come around.
Hey, Perk!
Heal sledge.
I'm hurt!
Wow.
Fire!
We're through his armor. Come on.
Fuck.
Assault. You're not
Running.
gonna die.
I let him push me
He's
away,
coming
sorry.
back.
We moved that opposition now. So if we're fighting here, can we have like maybe someone up here and someone up here? didn't have too many, I just like choose them.
Goliath, let's go!
Got it! Right there!
You're gonna be fine, girl.
Okay, I think the Jupiter's dead.
Firing on a mostly defenseless creature!
Come from the side. Watch with that shield drone and sledge.
Hang on. Switching to trank darts.
You want the range, Cooper? You got him!
We're going down.
Okay, I guess I'm moving.
You gotta move.
Side.
Oh my god.
Get over here.
He's off, Maggie!
Drop.
Need a medic.
Yep, I'm gonna go down.
Everything I got.
Control 326, do your
Daisy's
job.
getting me, look after yourself. Oh no, she's not.
Oh, hey,
Okay, Daisy's getting me now.
I'm down! You need me! Get over here! I can't move! Help!
I'm up.
I got you. Come on. Get up.
That's got it.
Okay?
Can't help if the spot isn't working. We're just kind of getting pushed away from the shield drone. The flatter zone back here maybe? At least we're kind of always in line of sight if we're up here. Medic can run around that. If we have a shield drone there, medic can run around this. Yes.
I've got eyes on the monster. Move out.
Rocks.
This beast is nasty, but together we're nastier.
One sedated monster coming up.
It's throwing debris.
Throwing rocks.
Assault, keep firing. You are being healed.
I'm sorry, this is wasting his time.
Get behind it! And it's off.
One sedated
Straight onto support.
monster coming up.
Boom! Frog!
Pop my shield, pop my shield.
Son of a... Get off of me!
I'm running away from him.
Trank darting.
Assault! I've
Drone's
got
down.
you back! Drone 858, keep everyone safe!
It's got me!
Help.
It's got me!
That should tide you over.
I don't have my shield yet.
Incoming!
Boom! On target! No, 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 no! Off! Off!
Still don't have my shield.
Immobilized.
I'm dead.
Cloak active!
My shield's nearly up. I'm up.
Lock it down! Light it up!
Got it.
Trank gun ready! Flame breath! Back up! I got you, Assault! Go crazy!
We're through his armor! Come on!
Same again, I guess.
Circling birds in the air. Something's died recently.
Body's good.
Drone out!
Just gotta be careful, he body blocks and melees a lot. That's how he kept getting us out of position.
There we go. I see it. Out there.
Come back, come back. You don't need to be up here. Let me do this.
Med gun ready!
It's throwing debris.
Picking up a rock.
Gonna need
Oh
some help
wow. You killed that over.
Firing on Goliath!
here. Got me. It's got me.
That worked!
Rock.
Duty!
Oh, okay, you don't need to play that.
Assault, keep firing!
Is
You're
it where
being
it's-
healed!
You stop?
Rocket coming.
What's he doing? Oh, who put the shield drone up there? Pretty cheesy.
It's throwing debris.
On first aid duty! Armor's down!
Rocket coming.
No! Daisy, get away from there! Technology's to the rescue! As it will feel. Arena going down!
He's on me.
This is the blitz.
Firing on the
Oh.
Goliath! Got it!
Shield drone's down.
Going and finish
What's
the
the
match.
Do you have plum? On me. Camp. Kill it.
Got me. Got me.
Chase.
Someone pick him up.
On first aid duty!
That's all I got.
Giving up.
Assault, keep firing! You're being healed!
He's gonna be salty about that shield drone placement.
Time for evac.